Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that your system and the Wallpaper Extended tool are up to date and that no other wallpaper utilities are running. Once done, save any work because some changes can refresh the desktop. Now open the Wallpaper Extended interface or go to Settings System Personalization Background. You will see the extension listed. Select it and prepare to disable active features. This first step ensures you target the right service and avoid accidental changes to unrelated settings. You now proceed to disable the extension itself and its active features. Toggle off the main Enable switch, then individually stop dynamic effects, live wallpapers, or video playback. This reduces CPU and GPU usage immediately. Next, open Startup Apps or Task Manager and remove Wallpaper Extended from automatic launch so it won't restart. If the toggle is unresponsive, use the Extension Manager to disable the add-on or run a clean uninstall. Make sure to observe changes so you can reverse any step if needed. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer or performing a full reboot to apply the disabled state system-wide. This ensures the wallpaper process stops. If the wallpaper persists, clear the extension cache or app data in Settings Apps Wallpaper Extended Advanced Options. Should the issue continue, reinstall the extension then disable it properly, because a corrupted install can ignore toggles. If nothing works, check for conflicting apps like other wallpaper managers, and make sure you have administrator rights to change system-wide settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.